Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to cover how to recover a forgotten Bluevine password. Alright, here's to how to reset your Bluevine password if you can't log into your device anymore. So let's get into it. Step 1, open the Bluevine mobile app or just visit the website bluevine.com and then tap login. Now under the login fields, just going to go and select forgot password. Now you're going to need to enter the email address linked to your Bluevine account, but make sure it's the same one that you used when signing up. Next is to check your inbox for a password reset email from Bluevine. If you don't see it within a few minutes, check your spam or promotion folder. Next, open the email and then click the secure reset link. This will take you to a Bluevine page where you can create a new password. Next step is to enter your new password twice. Choose one that's strong, at least 8 characters, and be sure to mix uppercase and lowercase letters as well as numbers and symbols. Final step, log back in using your new password. If two-factor authentication is enabled, complete the extra verification steps. And that's it, your Bluevine password is successfully reset. Hope you found this video useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.